residing in Delhi, has recently shifted to Mumbai. Once settled in Mumbai, Mr. Bajaj needs to go for his regular health checkup. He searched for health facilities in nearby locations on the Abha app. By virtue of UHI, the app shows the doctors available in nearby ABDM-enabled facilities listed on PHR apps. Mr. Bajaj identifies a facility, and instead of online booking or teleconsultation, he chooses to visit the facility at his convenience. At the facility, Mr. Bajaj scans the QR code of the facility to complete the registration process. Based on the information shared, the receptionist provides an appointment with the concerned doctor. The doctor requests Mr. Bajaj's medical history using their HMIS. The consent notification comes on Mr. Bajaj's PHR app, and he gives consent to share the selected records maintained by the hospital in Delhi. Upon approval, the doctor is able to view Mr. Bajaj's past health records on the HMIS. The doctor goes through the previous records and prescribes a blood test. The prescription is linked to Mr. Bajaj's Abha and is available with him on his smartphone. The prescription of the doctor is shared with the lab through the Hospital Management Information System, HMIS, before the person reaches the lab. Mr. Bajaj gives the sample at the lab and leaves for home. The lab links the blood test report with Mr. Bajaj's Abha using the LMIS. Mr. Bajaj is notified on his PHR app regarding the same. With Mr. Bajaj's consent, the doctor is also able to fetch the lab report through the HMIS. The doctor prescribes medicines based on the lab report, and the prescription is linked to Mr. Bajaj's Abha. The report and prescription are available on the Mr. Bajaj's PHR app for the record and reference of Mr. Bajaj.